Hey, y'all good peoples. Today, I am about to plant something in this one. I got my plans and going to plant something in this one. And y'all, everything is doing okay. We got some rain yesterday and today. See, we got my corn and stuff. Y'all, I'm going to have to fill it in right here because I don't know what went on. But yeah, I got to fill in some corn right there. Then y'all, yes, about 2 days ago, I think, I planted some zinnias back here and look at them. Y'all, they already done sprouted up. My strawberries is doing good. So, everything over there doing good. I got my carrots popping up. I'm waiting for my pepper to get a little bigger to put them right there. And I got 2 cantaloupes. Then right here, I got my 2 cucumber plants. I think both of these pickling cucumbers. A basil and then a tomato. I was gonna put another tomato right here, y'all, but it might be too close. I don't know. And my marigold. And y'all look at my lettuce. My lettuce is coming up. Y'all see? Pepper and cucumber and this what you call it up there, y'all. So yeah, I got some more spots in here. I can plant some stuff. I'm gonna direct seed in this one and direct seed in this one. Then I got some transplants still. But yeah, y'all, that's what I'm finna do today. And then start me some more seeds. Because like I said, if I didn't learn anything last year, to keep storing my seeds so I have backup in case I'm going on. Because I'll insert a video where one day I planted my cucumbers in this bed, and then the next day a squirrel dug it up. And he did it twice. He dug 2 of my cucumbers up on this side, and then maybe about a couple of days later he dug a hole on that side, but he didn't disturb anything. So just have my my transplant ready to go in when something go on. So that's what I'm about to do. They got it worked up a little bit. We tilled up in here a little bit. I added some bone meal, some worm casting, and some black cow. And now I'm finna start planting. I got my plans, and so far I just got I'm gonna do corn and sunflower in the middle, and then around the edge in the back I'm gonna do honeydew, and I know in the front corners I'm gonna do some zinnias. So I got my zinnias, and I'm thinking, yeah, I don't know if I want to do corn in the both squares in the middle or just 2. Yeah, but I'm gonna do the zinnias in the front. I should do them in the front and the side. I'm gonna do them in the front. So y'all, what I'm gonna do? sprinkle a little bit. Right here. Because this is why I want them to be on the corners. And then I'm just going to lightly cover them up. Lightly. Lightly cover them up and kind of pat it down, nothing too crazy. And just kind of just lightly pack them in. And I am going to cover the bed up with two, like I got that one, y'all, so the squirrels or the birds can't get in and mess with stuff. So I'm going to pack it, cover it up once I get done. Oh, worm. I need to get him and put him in there. And what I said, corn. Y'all, I got this sweet corn. I got corn back there in the back, but I'm gonna plant some right here too. So y'all, I see a worm. Let me get him and put him over here. I'm gonna put him up toward the top because I ain't planting him right the other day. 12-foot garden, they said you could put 4 corns in a square foot. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I think I'm just gonna do 2 sunflowers in the middle of this corn now. On the side. Should I do it on the side? And y'all just gonna cover the holes up. And pat it just a bit. Y'all know if I put one in there. I don't know. I'm gonna put one in there just to make sure. So y'all, I got my corn right there, and then in this middle room, I'm gonna stick some sunflowers. I don't think I brought my sunflowers out here. Nope. I didn't bring my sunflower, but I'm gonna come back and put my sunflowers in. I gotta see what else I'm gonna put in here. Right now, I got honeydew in the back, but I ain't got no honeydew transplant ready. They still fairly small, so I'm gonna wait to put those in the back. So I got my zinnias and my corn planted. Cause y'all, what I'm trying to go for, I wanted it, cause I know my sunflowers and the corn's gonna get tall, and then you have flowers and different stuff growing from the side. That's what I'm going for. See, y'all had to put the green tube over. Cause squirrels was getting too. Really? Yeah, he talking about my hair. Okay. Who are these, y'all? Cause I got something to plant. So I'm gonna pull this back a little bit. Y'all, they cutting grass over there, so I'm gonna have to just speed this up and put some music or something over it because they cutting grass. I did some Cherokee, no, there's some yellow bush green beans. I gotta show y'all so I can remember myself. Some Cherokee wax, yellow green beans, yellow beans, just across the front right here. I put in okra, and then my carrots is still right there. Hopefully they come up and the squirrel didn't disrupt them. Still haven't planted anything right here. Marigold tomato, that's a single tomato, and then basil, and then this is a red cherry tomato, and then my 2 pickling cucumbers right here, and then lettuce, and those are over there lemon cucumbers and a green bean. So this what I got planted in this one so far. I still got spots for some more. I'm gonna wait. I might put some more carrots right there. I might not. I don't know. And then I stuck a cherry tomato right here because I'm go back some. Why you scared me? Because I am putting a trellis right here. So I want my cucumbers and my tomatoes to go over my trellis. So that's why I put that one right there. Because I don't know how long my lettuce is gonna last right here. So if I have to pull it up, I can put some more tomatoes right here so they can, you know, hang over my trellis. And then right here, I did plant in these 2 spots corn. And right here, I planted some zinnias. And right here, I planted some zinnias. So I still got some more spots that I can plant stuff, but I am going to wait probably till tomorrow or whenever. I've got to go back in the house and plan out some more, and then I can come back out and plant in here, and then also here, and then my melons. I think I'm gonna do half watermelons, and then the other half will be maybe like my Roma tomatoes. Oh, y'all can't see. Half, I'm probably gonna do half watermelon and half tomatoes back here. Like I said, I still got this one. I still got some transplants that I can plant over there. I still got some cherry tomato and some yellow pepper tomatoes right there. And then I still got plenty grow bags, so y'all, I got plenty of space. But yeah, that's all for today, y'all. Ash, tell them bye, and we'll see them on the next video. He ain't with y'all, but that's it for this video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.